Okay, now we're going to discuss voiding items, voiding checks, and voiding payments. So we're going to go ahead and do a new order. By the way, from this transaction page, you could enter a new order. We'll try to choose table 3. So now we're going to go ahead and add a series of items. So because these items have not been added, it's easy to void them. You just clear them out by hitting the minus sign. But we're going to go ahead and hit close. So that way those orders are already sent to the kitchen, and we're going to try to remove a specific item, and then we'll get into void. So now those items have been sent, and if I click on it, notice that I have manager access, so I can remove these items, or I could void the entire check. So let's say I want to remove this macchiato. I'll hit remove, and it's going to ask me a reason. These reasons are customizable, so you can customize them to meet your needs. I'm going to hit quality in this case, and that is gone. So let's say the entire check, something happened and you want to void the whole check. You'll just simply hit void check and wrong order, and in this case that check is entirely voided. So if I tap all and filter, notice that it turned to red and the whole check has been now voided. Moving on, in terms of the paid transactions, if I tap on this table, there were 4 payments in here. If I tap on order preview, it will actually show me the entire transaction. So I had a $10 cash, $25 cash, $23.78 in Visa, and another Visa for $23.84. So in this case, what I want to do, for example, if I wanted to void the payment, I keep the check open so I can make the payment using another card. For example, if the customer made the payment with the wrong credit card, you would just simply void the payment. Again, that will keep the check open. And if you wanted to void the entire check, you just simply hit void, and that will void the entire check.